Here is something that sounds completely impossible. The more money you make, the less wealth you build. Not for everyone, but for most people, and probably for you right now. Here is the proof. The average American earning $50,000 per year saves about 6% of their income. That is $3,000 per year. The average American earning $100,000 per year should be saving double that or more. The actual number? They save about 8%. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how the salary trap works, why it is specifically designed to catch high earners more than low earners, and the one reframe that permanently escapes it. Here is how the salary trap actually works. When you earn $40,000 a year, your spending is constrained by necessity. You cannot overspend on housing because you cannot afford the expensive apartment. You cannot overspend on cars because you cannot qualify for the expensive loan. Your income puts a natural ceiling on your lifestyle spending. But when your income starts climbing, something quietly shifts. That ceiling disappears. Now you can afford the expensive apartment. Now you can qualify for the $45,000 car. Now you can go to the nicer restaurants. Now you can justify the premium subscriptions, the business class upgrade, the designer item that used to feel out of reach. And your brain, which has been watching other people live this life for years, finally says yes. The economists call this consumption smoothing. The financial industry calls it lifestyle inflation. You call it finally living your life. But here's what it actually costs. A person earning $80,000 spending like they earn $80,000 builds almost no wealth. A person earning $80,000 spending like they earn $55,000 builds extraordinary wealth. Same job, same salary. $25,000 per year difference in lifestyle spending. At 7% return over 30 years, that $25,000 per year difference becomes $2,360,000. $2.3 million from the same salary, just a different decision about what percentage of it to keep. Here is where it gets really uncomfortable. The salary trap does not just affect what you spend, it affects what you think you deserve. This is the psychological mechanism that makes the salary trap almost invisible. When your income goes up, your reference group changes. At $45,000, you compare yourself to people earning $45,000. Their cars, their apartments, their vacations become your baseline for normal. When you reach $90,000, now you are surrounded by people earning $90,000. New cars, new apartments, new vacations become your new baseline for normal. The goalposts move automatically. And here's the cruelest part. Research from Princeton University found that emotional well-being does not significantly increase beyond $75,000 per year, meaning most of what people spend their salary increases on above $75,000 doesn't actually make them happier. It just makes them look like they belong in their new income bracket. You are paying to perform a lifestyle that doesn't make you feel better, at the cost of financial freedom that would make you feel significantly better. Here is the one reframe that escapes the trap permanently. Stop measuring wealth by income. Start measuring it by the gap between what you earn and what you spend. A person earning $50,000 and spending $35,000 has a $15,000 wealth building gap. A person earning $120,000 and spending $115,000 has a $5,000 wealth building gap. The person earning $50,000 is building 3 times more wealth than the person earning $120,000. This isn't theory, this is math. And the moment you shift your identity from someone who earns well to someone who keeps well, the salary trap loses its grip on you completely. Every raise becomes a wealth-building opportunity, not a lifestyle upgrade permission slip. Every bonus goes to investments first, not to the thing you've been waiting for permission to buy. The goal is not to earn more. The goal is to widen the gap, because the gap is the only number that actually builds your future. Here is what I want you to do right now. Calculate your gap. Take your monthly take-home income, subtract everything you spent last month. That number, positive or negative, is your current wealth-building gap. If it's negative, you are in the salary trap right now. Every dollar of income increase is being absorbed before it ever has a chance to build anything. If it's positive, you are escaping it. The only question is whether the gap is growing as fast as your income is growing. Because if your gap stays the same while your income goes up, the salary trap is still winning. Drop a like if this one reframed how you think about your income. And if you want to see exactly how to widen the gap step by step, regardless of what you earn right now, that video is right here. See you there.